Hello and assalamu alaikum, welcome back to a new video. So today I have brought an interesting topic and a crucial topic which is nowadays very important for all of us and everyone wants to learn about it, which is freelancing. Freelancing is a digital skill which everyone wants to learn. So today we will talk about freelancing, that what is freelancing, how do freelancers work, what are the benefits of freelancing, and what are the challenges of freelancing. So let's get started. First of all, if you are discussing about freelancing, so first we'll discuss about what is freelancing. First of all, freelancing is a person who have skills and he is distributing or he is giving that skills to a client. Example, like now I am a graphic designer, so a person come and he tells me that make me a shape or something, so I will go and make him a shape of anything. It can be anything. So that's why this is my skill. I am giving him a skill, or I am dealing with my client, and this is not done verbally. It is done by laptop or any digital thing. Freelancing is nowadays very important and everyone is working on it. And in this, I am not saying that graphic designing is only the freelancing work. There are many skills in freelancing: graphic designing, video editing, cinematography, and most of the things. Whatever skills are included in digital skills, there are the freelancing world. So nowadays in freelancing there are different people. They are expert in something. They come and they give their own gigs to people. They tell that I can build your website, I can do this, so people hire them and give them money. So this is how the freelancer works. So let's come that what are the benefits of freelancing. There are many and many benefits of freelancing, but we will talk about only the two that are main benefits of freelancing. And the first one that I will talk about is flexibility. What do I mean by flexibility? Flexibility means like I am flexible when I am doing graphic designing work, because I am sitting on one place. I am not in command of anyone else that he is guiding me, do this work and go there and do that one. So I am sitting at one place, I am doing my work. So you are flexible, you have your own hours, you have your own timetable how to do it. So the next one is independence. What do you mean by independence? Independence means like he is not in the control of anyone else. Like previously I talked about that you are not in control of a businessman or a manager in the company. I will give you example. Now I have a textile company. I am the owner of it and I hire a manager for the employees, and in the employees there is someone else. I am not that much that they would guide me. I am my own boss. I am doing the work on my own. I am giving them services. So that's why you are independent. You are not dependent on someone else. Like we will talk about benefits of it. Let's come to the challenges of freelancing. There are lots of challenges of freelancing, but as I told you, we will talk about two of them as we are not having time and the video will get very lengthy. So that's why I will talk about the main two. First one is irregular income. What do you mean by irregular income? Like sometimes our income can be stopped for days, weeks, or sometimes like that, because it's not a fluctuate income or it's not a fluctuate work that you are doing it every day or you are getting work every day. Like now I am a starter of graphic designer, so I am doing graphic designing. It's not like that if I come and I make account in Fiverr and I start doing it and there would be orders. You have to wait for your orders. It's not about that you would start earning from your first day. You would also need to have good reviews, good updates from the people, so that someone is hiring you or giving you a work, so they would think about it, that is he expert in it, how is he doing. So that's why it plays an important role that you won't get money in on the first day or on the first week. You have to wait for it. Last challenge that I think is self-discipline. What do you mean by self-discipline? Self-discipline is you have to manage your own self. How? Like now I am a freelancer. I have to make my own timetable. How will I deal and how will I deal with my parents? How when will I sit with them? When will I eat dinner? When will I eat lunch? When will I go outside to roam with my friends? So you have to prepare your own timetable, or you have to manage your own time. Now if we look at the companies, so there are the managers or the workers who make a timetable or who manage our time, that you have to do this thing from this time and that time. So that's why freelancers are self-disciplined. They need to give time for this, they need to have their own timetable, manage their time, and also there are other things that they have to keep in mind. So that was all I wanted to talk about freelancing, which is nowadays going on high rank and everyone wants to learn about it, everyone wants to try it. So that's why freelancing also plays an important role in it. Everyone should try it who are interested in it. So that was all for today. I hope you would have learned something. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.